guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amina Adebisi for those of you that are new or those of you that don't know. So we're going to be doing things a little more differently, and I've got a special guest here in the house. Her name is Ifuneye. Ify, say hi.
Hi guys.
Hi. So today we're going to be doing the whisper challenge together, and tell them.
You're gonna be hearing a few new words today.
That's right.
Get ready.
See you guys.
You're a goat.
Roll. Say it again.
You're a goat.
No, a goat. You're a goat. You're a goat. What are you saying?
You're a goat.
You're a goat.
Yes, I actually said you are a goat.
You're a goat.
I'm an adult.
It's okay. Your mouth smelling. Your mouth smelling. Your mouth smelling.
What's in your mouth?
Your mouth is smelling.
Fout.
Your mouth is smelling.
Your mouth is smell. I want now. Your mouth is smell.
Again.
I might link my thing from barking.
Link
my thing from barking.
Amalie.
I might link my thing from barking.
Amalima.
I might link my thing from barking.
Say it again.
I might link my thing from barking.
Amalie, my tea for barking.
Yeah, but do you know the song? I might link my thing from barking.
You're mad.
But do you know the song?
Yeah, Amalie, my tea from barking. Seven of them. Yeah, sorry.
Wow, that accent is really strong in there.
Did you brush today?
Do you brush?
Do you brush today? Do you brush today?
Do you brush today? Jeez, what is here in my mouth? I need to understand. Okay, now let me. Is my mouth smelling?
No,
I don't understand. Oh God.
I beg.
What is your turn? Meningitis skills.
Meningitis
skills.
Meningitis skills. You see the kind of thing you're
It's right there.
Okay. Do you love my brows?
Do you love my?
Do you love my brows?
Do you love wheelbarrows?
Do you love my brows?
Do you love to go?
Do you love my brows?
Do you love mama?
Do you love my brows?
Do you love my eyebrows? No. No. You conceited. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Do you work out?
Do
you work out?
Say it again.
Do you work out?
Do you knock out?
Do you work out?
Do you knock?
Do you work out?
Say it again.
Do you work out?
Do you
work out?
Voila.
Work out.
Do you work out? Do you work out? Where did you get all this? Do you work? That's just quite difficult, girl. We saying still.
Your one is difficult. So.
Nah, I've not seen difficulty yet. I love drinking super malt. I love drinking super malt.
Nah. You're not even moving your mouth.
I love drinking super malt.
Are you free?
I love drinking super malt.
Are you free today? Nah, man, I give up. What you saying?
I love drinking super malt.
That was quite hard.
It's not hard.
Nah, that one was hard. Are you handicapped?
Are you wearing cap?
I would give Are you handicapped?
Say it again.
Are you capped?
Oh, you stop moving your head.
Are you handicapped?
Are you
Handicapped.
Are you handicapped? No, clearly not.
Oh, Lord of Jesus.
I don't believe in dustbin. I don't believe in dustbin.
Are you believing in Jesus' name?
Hey. I don't believe in dustbin.
I don't believe in dustbin.
I'm going
You make terrible wigs.
You make
terrible wigs.
You make terrible
wigs.
You make terrible wigs. I'm not made wigs for you now. I'm not made wigs for you. Jello say.
God, I am done.
Why do you think I'm such a bully? Bully.
Why do you think?
Why do you think I'm such a bully?
Why do you think I'm short-framed?
Why do you think I'm such a bully? Bully.
Why do you think I'm a short bully?
No. Why do you think I'm such a bully?
Why do you think I'm such a bully?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah, you got it.
Babe, I'm gonna answer that question because you short as hell and you trying to get on everyone's ass because you trying to prove, oh yeah, I'm short, but I'm finna get on you.
Kiss my hex.
Bobby skin. Kiss my heads.
SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants.
Are you speaking gibberish? What?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Because he said so I kind of like knew.
Again.
I believe in miracles.
Something miracles.
I believe in miracles.
I'm getting a miracle.
I believe in miracles. She can see my mouth doing big. I believe in miracles.
I believe in miracles.
Finally, you there, like. My mouth was doing what else should I be saying? I don't know.
Hey dog.
What? I didn't hear you well.
Come and study. Why are you too extra? Straw.
Why are you a straw?
Why are you too extra?
Okay, do your mouth well.
Why are you too extra?
Why you a straw?
Girl, why are you too extra though?
Why you an asshole?
Why are you too extra?
Why are you so extra?
No. Why are you too extra?
Why are you extra?
Why are you too extra?
Why are you extra?
Why are you too extra? Why are you too extra?
Why are you extra? That's
too extra, girl.
Girl, you trying to do that? Like, don't do that.
You trying to steal that,
oh, to have fun. Where you go to have fun?
Where do you roll?
Where do you go? Where do you go to have fun?
Where did
do you go to have fun? What is
Where do you go
to have fun?
Where do you go to have fun? Is that what you're doing?
I've been saying it. Where do you go to have fun? Where do you go to have fun? I don't know what language you're
cheating, girl.
You're cheating. I'm even screaming.
You cheating, girl. I want some Subway.
What is up the way?
I want some Subway.
What is up way?
I want some Subway.
What is up somewhere?
I want some Subway. Someone that likes Subway. What?
Subway.
I want some Subway.
I want to go to Subway.
I want some Subway.
I want some Subway.
Yeah. Someone that likes Subway cannot even get it.
Are you a baby? Why do you have teddy bears?
Are you a baby?
Why do you have teddy bears? 2. We're making it hard now. You've been giving me sentences since. Are you a baby? Why do you have teddy bears?
Are you a baby?
Why do you have teddy bears?
Are you a baby? Why do you
Have teddy bears.
have
Teddy bears.
bears?
Are you a baby? Why do you have teddy bears?
Are you a baby? Why do you have Why do you have teddy bears? Girl, I'm a princess though.
Princess. Tell me that. I might link my ting from barking. Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.